Aspose.Imaging Crop application was designed to help you crop your images. The crop process is fully interactive. First, you need to upload a file or a range of files to the input field. You can do this either by clicking the input field or by dragging and dropping the files all together. After uploading completes, you can review the uploaded files and optionally cancel some of them for processing. After uploading the file or files, you can configure the crop options. Crop options are configured for each one of the uploaded images. You can switch back and forth for configuration of each image individually. You have several modes for configuration of crop options, such as classic, centering, or zoom modes. You may also enter crop values directly into the input fields below. You may also select the different file format to convert the source files into in case you want both the crop and conversion feature. Please note that this is just a demo showing a subset of features that Aspose.Imaging is capable to perform. You can download the full product for more features, link is at the video description. When you are satisfied with processing options, then you may either download the result directly or specify an email to send the result to. This is especially useful if you have a batch of files to process. We hope that you have found this little tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.